My God, what a day. What a day. We are back, baby.
Are we?
It's like we never left. We're all going to make it. That's all that matters.
I hope so.
8:33. We're just getting restarted. This is so embarrassing. We're not going to point any fingers, but we definitely know.
Don't point fingers at me.
You think my computer, the same computer I've been bringing here for the past year,
yes,
with the same settings, same apps, you think I took down your Wi-Fi,
yes,
but didn't take down your Ethernet because I'm connected hardlined into.
Now you're connected hardline,
right? But you think I took down?
And now mine is working now.
You think I took down the Wi-Fi?
Yes,
in your house.
Yes.
Yeah.
You better check your computer for viruses and shit.
You better check your wallet.
Don't come in here with
check your
viruses.
bank account to make sure you're paying for all the services that you've promised me with your in-home studios here.
That's stupid. Use your common sense.
Yeah, Wi-Fi is terrible right now, and I don't know why.
That's what she said.
Still down.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
Get it?
Let me check if it's an issue in the area, man.
Yeah. Check. Maybe it's a tornado.
It could be
hurricane situation.
Yeah, your laptop is the one causing the issue.
My high-tech laptop is single-handedly destroyed the Wi-Fi in your house.
It was fine this whole time until you started doing shit.
Anyway, no one's here anyway, so we can talk about whatever we want.
I guess we lost the 45 people that were watching earlier.
Well, you know what? I didn't want them anyway.
Whose fault is that?
All I care about is that you're here with me.
I guess.
All I care about is that you are here with me. If anyone is still here, drop us a little comment. Say hi, hello. I don't know why you're still with us. I would have walked away a long time ago. And I don't mean like today. I mean like months, maybe years ago, I would have walked away from this.
Good. I'm glad you're saying all the negative shit that people would like to hear.
No, not me. I will never walk away. I just mean like if I was a outsider watching this, I'd be like, bye-bye now.
Is that so?
Yeah. That's how I do things.
Well,
what do you want to talk about?
It says no outages found.
No, I got an outage right here for you.
Let's see. Troubleshoot.
That's what she said.
No, just put your phone down. Let's just move on with the show. Let's just move on with the show. I'm gonna do one of the claps, and we're gonna restart. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
We're gonna reset our tone, our atmosphere, our mood. Ready?
Sure.
I'm gonna do the clap. That way, on the audio, we can see the clap, and then we'll know where to cut it. Welcome back to Rebelance Radio. My name is Kevin, joined as always by my co-host, co-partner, Wi-Fi disabler. First night in the house. Listen, first night, we have lots of financial advice to give out.
Do we?
No, I've also deleted the tweets of our fake acquisitions.
Did you? Why is that?
Because we were given some good legal advice.
Oh, were we?
I don't want somebody to make a purchase based on false information that was a joke, which I don't think anybody would. But it's a fair point. I'm not trying to get anyone to lose monies. I just want to piss off the big guys because we're the little guys. I also thought when I'm going to tell you a quick soccer story.
Mm-hmm.
So there's a soccer team called the New York Red Bulls.
Mm-hmm. I'm listening.
When they were looking to bring in a new team into New York City that they play at Yankee Stadium, they did a vote for like naming the new team. They did a vote for the team name. They did a vote for the team logo. And I thought it would have been funny if there was the New York Rebels and the New York Red Bulls, because it sounds so similar. Like it would be obnoxiously confusing if there was the New York Rebels and the New York Red Bulls, right? Like it's easy to get those two confused in English. So I've always had that in my head, that Red Bull sounds like rebel. And I do wish they would have named the soccer team the New York Rebels. And then you'd have the New York Rebels versus the New York Red Bulls. Anyway, that's all I have for you tonight. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye. No.
Sure.
All right, we're going to move on as if nothing ever happened. What do you want to talk about? Go.
I'm still trying to fix this thing. So
What do you don't need to fix anything.
uh,
We're here.
my,
We're
my
alive.
laptop is not working. So
It's all fried. Kevin fried the laptop too.
all I know is that I was fine for the last 2 weeks with no issues.
Can I also point out? I do want to point out. Allow me to point out that we were live for 30 minutes before the Wi-Fi went down. Do you remember that? You know how we start the show at 7:30?
Yeah. But you were over there doing your little clicking thing.
I didn't do anything.
Yes, you were. You just clicking away
didn't
like
do
you always
anything.
do. Who knows what you was doing over there?
All right, what should we look at? You want to talk NFTs? You want to talk crypto? You want to talk us? You want to talk them? What do you want to do?
Sure. Talk whatever you want. How about that?
You're not fun today.
No, I'm actually really mad right now.
I know you are. Okay. Let's look at. I was going to talk about how bad the UI and UX of Web3 is, because every time I try to send you money or transfer money and it just burns into oblivion, I get so mad. And I think 50%, this is my fault.
It usually is, yeah.
No, but only 50% will I accept as my fault.
It's like 90%.
No. 50% is my fault.
It's like
50%,
90% you most of the time.
50% is UI, UX.
I'm almost 100% sure that it's like 90% you.
No.
User issue.
And so I wanted to, because remember I tried to send you some money from my Abstract wallet.
Yeah. And guess where it went?
It's
Nowhere.
bye-bye.
Guess who's frozen on EVMux? I am. Yeah.
It's in the ethers.
Love it.
You're not frozen anywhere.
Yeah, in my own laptop, I'm frozen. Not by your shit, but my
You're
shit's
coming
frozen.
in fine on this camera.
Yeah,
Here.
of course.
Of course. Of course I am.
Fucking jerk.
Of course. Well, I wanted you to walk me through how I would transfer money to you from my Abstract wallet to show you how dumb the process is.
You wanted me to walk you through it?
I want you to tell me.
I walked you through it
No,
like 100 times
But
and you still couldn't get
what
it
I
right.
was gonna do, was hide the balance of my wallet, which there's not much there, so it's not that I'm trying to hide that essentially. But what I thought was interesting
You
was
lost it.
What do you mean?
You lost it.
No, you know how like on your MetaMask wallet or your Phantom wallet, you can hide the values.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so in Abstract, I'm on the My Wallet page. Now at the top is my wallet holdings, $168.
Okay.
You see the little I here?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think happens when I press that I?
Press it.
It's going to hide this value, but guess what value it doesn't hide?
Which one?
The rest of the values on the screen. Why would that be the case?
I don't know.
If you want to hide values, why would it not hide values? That's insane.
Talk to their developers.
I am. I'm just here to point out how bad the UI UX is.
Maybe it's ChatGPT developing it.
It's something, because that is
Chat would probably
stupid. Why would it not do all the values on the screen? This is ridiculous. Oh my god! I think
You're right though. It should block everything.
Lost money since we started talking, because this was 168. Now it's 167.
Talk to their developers. Abstract.
I've got some pennies that I've lost along the way here. Oh boy!
Abstract is very
boy
abstract.
Okay, here's the other thing about the wallet. Okay,
Yeah.
Again, 50% my fault. I accept responsibility.
Mm-hmm.
If I were to go to receive,
Okay.
here's an address, and very clearly, it tells me in red letters with an exclamation point with a red background, this address can only receive tokens in the Abstract network.
Yeah.
Okay. If I go to send, do you know what's missing from this dialog box?
What?
That same fucking warning.
Is that how you lost the money?
Yes. Because here is an ETH balance that doesn't tell me that this ETH is on Abstract. I get that it's in my Abstract wallet, but this is not telling me that this is ETH on Abstract. It's just not.
Yeah, that's a good point.
It's just not.
Like Coinbase does have that little side
Yes.
little bubble where
Yes,
it tells
to tell you
where
what
are.
network it
Yeah.
is. Okay,
Yeah,
the
I
other
agree with
thing
that.
is when you click in here for the address, domain, or identity,
Uh-huh.
Abstract should know what wallets are Abstract wallets. Right?
Yeah.
They know that because they created them. For it to not
Did
give
they?
me a warning that the address I have entered is not an Abstract wallet is also insane.
Yeah, I get you. It's true.
What the fuck?
Talk to Abstract's developers. I told you already. They need to get their shit together.
I don't want to talk
guess.
to
I don't know.
anyone. I'm over it.
I don't know what to tell you.
Why would it be so hard?
Just why can't you just like send them a message and just tell them that?
Remember what happens when we tried to reach out to them about streaming and they ignored us for a year?
That's okay.
That's okay. Anyway, my point is that the last time I tried to send you money a couple of weeks ago, it was like
you lost it.
It was like
Thanks.
$150 lost.
Yep.
Remember,
Lost into oblivion.
a long time ago, right when Abstract first opened, I tried to move money around for the friend
Yep.
thing.
You
The
also
friend
lost that
pet,
too.
The friend pet.
Whatever it was. You
I lost
it
that too because
Oh, yeah.
that I was trying to send in. That was my error because I missed that warning about the wallets.
It's because
I
you
just used
suck,
the
bro.
wallet. But
It's
now
'cause
to
you suck.
send out, there's no warning.
You know who didn't have any issues using any of that? Me.
Okay, so go ahead,
So,
bro.
like,
Tell me, how do I send you this money, this $156.99?
you have to send it to my Abstract wallet.
Okay, hold on. Let's go back a second because I think it just got even better. When I go to my
don't
wallet,
send it now because
when I click on Ether,
Uh-huh.
this is the ETH line, right?
yeah.
This is the Pengu line. This is
Pengu,
the ETH
uh-huh.
line. When I click Ether,
Okay.
okay,
What about it?
why? Why is it selling me? Why is it defaulting to tell me that I'm selling Pengu?
Because it's their shit. That's why.
It's not their shit. Abstract doesn't have a native coin.
But it's connected to Igloo and fucking Luca and everybody.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so yeah,
So
I see
now-
why it's doing that.
Okay, but when I click on ETH, you're going to tell me that the default setting is to sell my Pengu for ETH. That
Yeah, I
is
mean-
genius.
I don't see why not. I don't know why you're hating on that.
Oh
It's
my
fine.
god. Okay, so I want to sell. I don't even want to trade actually. I just
Why?
wanna send.
Why are you being so critical about it? Just
That's the whole point of this,
oh, okay.
by the way.
Usually it's me going in on Abstract, but
Okay, look,
today's
wallets.
you, so I like it.
I want to send you money. Right?
Okay.
I want to send ETH. Look, here it defaults to ETH. Great. How do I send this to your ETH wallet that's not Abstract? That's ETH on ETH.
You have to
Right.
You have to
How do
swap.
I bridge it? Okay.
Mhm.
What do I use to bridge it?
Tells you there. They should have a swapping thing, don't they?
No.
Oh, they don't? I thought they did.
There's no bridging thing here.
I thought they
I
did.
think there's an app that maybe bridges, but even that I was having trouble with.
Well, I remember sending it to because I think I have a Coinbase Abstract ETH wallet. So I think I remember sending it to that and then swapping it there.
This trade is only trading tokens, not bridging anything. This is literally
Oh.
just to move things
I
around.
don't know. I thought they had one for some reason. I guess not. Maybe I'm mistaken. Maybe I was just sending it to my
God.
ETH Abstract wallet in
Okay.
Coinbase.
So now
It's
if I
very
wanted
possible.
to bridge.
Just send it to your. Don't you have Coinbase?
What?
I thought you were able to get that shit back. No.
Yeah, but this is in Abstract. I can't get it out of Abstract. I need to bridge it out of Abstract.
No, you don't. You could send it to your Abstract ETH wallet
That is
on
100%.
Coinbase.
Wait, I have an Abstract ETH wallet on Coinbase?
Yeah, you should be able to. They're all the same numbers.
Are we going to lose another $158 right
No,
now
ju-
together?
Don't send $158. Just send like $1 and see
Hold
if it
on.
goes through.
My Coinbase wallet, you're saying.
Yeah.
Oh, I got to unlock this password. Apple. Coming through.
You still don't remember your password?
No, I got it. I got it. Here. Can I hide my values? It might
Your
be too
$5 that
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have in there?
I don't use this wallet. I do have a bunch of RPepe from the wrong RPepe.
Oh, do you?
It's the
You
wrong-
even bought the wrong
This is the
RPepe, bro.
wrong
You are
RPepe.
just in the wrong business, bro. Like, what is wrong with you? How did you even buy the wrong I don't even want to get into that right now. You know
okay.
what? I'm not.
Come on, keep walking me through here.
I
Talk
don't-
to me.
I can't see where you're looking at. So,
I'm sharing my screen. Open up your.
well, your wallet is all the way in a
Okay,
corner
all
there.
right, here we go.
All right, let me see.
How do I find out? Would I go to receive?
That's really fucking small. But switch your wallet to Abstract.
Wait, switch my wallet to Abstract.
Yeah. Go.
Okay.
All right. Go on. I think it's on the. Yeah. No, you're in. You got to go. Click on your wallet on the bottom. Are you in your wallet on the bottom?
I'm in my wallet. This is the extension.
Can't see from here.
This is the extension. So I have assets, transactions, settings, wallets, networks,
No.
add or edit networks.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Okay.
Abstract should be there. No?
Uh-huh. It's not. It's not. Testnets?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Uh-huh.
Well, it doesn't have Ape either, and I usually have my Ape wallet in there as well.
Uh-huh.
So there's something that you're doing that you suck at.
Yeah. I took down the Wi-Fi.
Hold on.
I hacked Coinbase to
God, I'm gonna have to go into my
lose-
own.
to
Hold on, let me go
lose
into my Coinbase
the
wallet for a
abstract
second.
connection.
You suck. All right, hold on.
Oh my God. Why is this so hard?
You suck balls.
Okay, how do I add a network? Add or
Wallets.
import a network. Network name. Oh boy. I gotta go do the
Yeah, see, I have my
change.
abstract wallet in here. I don't know why you don't have one.
Where did you see it? When you click on networks, you have it?
You
You
no,
want to
it's just
you want
it's
to share
just
your
on my
screen?
assets thing.
You want to share your screen?
No. I don't know. Definitely don't want to share
Definitely
this
don't
one.
want to share this one.
No, hold on.
Okay.
You suck.
Okay. So I'm also just trying to highlight the issues which are so difficult for people who are
Yes, I agree with
slightly crypto informed. Myself. I am slightly crypto informed. And
You
I
should
can't
be like
figure
an
this shit out.
expert in crypto by now.
Yeah, I'm an expert at losing shit because I
You
don't
are an
understand.
expert at losing shit because you fucking suck.
No, do you remember when you were walking me through the overlay and I was clicking all the
And
wrong
you still
things?
sucked at it, yeah.
Because my mind doesn't work the same way.
No, it doesn't work at all.
It doesn't work at all. So
You're right. It
I
just doesn't work
I
at all.
don't understand things the same way as other people do.
I don't know how you understand them then.
And so
I can't help you.
I think I'm a little too literal with certain things.
You're very literal about certain things.
I'm
You
very
are.
literal.
You like to look at things in like 100 million
Very-
different angles.
No, I'm very black and white, unfortunately.
No, yeah, that's true.
I've read books about this. My therapist tried to tell me to fix this. My wife tells me to fix this.
You got to fix that shit.
My boss tells me to
fix
fix this.
Fix it.
It shouldn't be this hard, is what I'm saying. It shouldn't be this
Yeah,
hard.
my abstract wallet is here, bro. Like, I don't
If
understand.
anyone's watching and knows how to get my money off the fuck of abstract, please tell me. Please tell me. I want my $156 that I owe to Miguel that he's not getting. Because his portion, I burned. It's gone.
He did. He burnt $150.
So what's left is mine.
It was great.
What's left is mine, and I want to not burn it.
Luckily, I was not hungry.
Papa needs that to pay for the new website.
Yeah. You know what's funny? Now that you mentioned shit.
Now that you mentioned shit.
So I sent you once some ETH.
Yeah.
And out of nowhere, you just text me back. He's like, yo, is that your ETH wallet? Like,
Well, I looked where
So
it came
that-
from.
exactly. Well, why prompted you to look at where it came from?
Because I was curious if it came from, because I wanted it to come from our
From where?
Rebel Ants wallet.
It did. Theoretically, it did.
Theoretically,
It
it's
just
not.
jumped from a couple wallets
Jumped
to get
from
to
a
that
couple-
one. But I like your theory of research.
But now anyone can go back and find that wallet because they know what my name is. based
Not
off-
my wallet.
Well, they can see the money that was sent to me and then trace it back.
Ah, fuck, you're right.
Fuck. The blockchain strikes again. All right, moving on. That's our exercise for today. Abstract, I'm sorry. We're down to $166. We've lost $2 since we started the stream.
Oh
Let me
my
hide
God.
my dollar
Just-
amount up here, but
you're
not
terrible.
on. Can I show you something else?
Sure.
I want to show you my frustration with it's either a MetaMask issue or an Ape Chain issue. I don't know. It could be both. Let me stop sharing my screen.
I don't even know why you still use MetaMask. I just don't.
We're gonna do the old share my phone again.
This is not gonna be good.
Oh no, my Wi-Fi is off. Oh no, if Wi-Fi is off, it's not gonna find it. Hold on. Oh no, I'm gonna have to turn Wi-Fi on. Can I turn on Wi-Fi and do both?
No.
Yes. Oh my god, I just did it.
No. Why would you do that? It's not.
Is
It's
your
still
Wi-Fi
not good.
Oh boy. I wonder what's gonna happen to this connection now.
Oh my god! Why would you do that?
For the sake of the show.
No, it's not. The Wi-Fi's still not working perfectly.
Well,
My download speed is like 3.0,
things are
and
happening.
upload is like 2.0 right now.
All right, I'm gonna go into my MetaMask.
We're broken right now.
I'm gonna go into MetaMask. Not working.
Yeah, Wi-Fi it's fucked right now. Like totally fucked. Uh, yes.
Mine did not.
Yeah, I'm done.
I'm gonna turn it off.
Yeah, done. Nothing's happening.
Oh boy,
I'm
this is
frozen.
really the worst day of my life.
Frozen.
And I've had a stroke.
It's gone. It's gone.
We're still up though.
Huh?
We're still up.
It's the Wi-Fi that you connected directly.
Well, then I got off of it. But now I'm back.
Oh, well, that's terrible. Yeah, I am done with Wi-Fi right now on my laptop.
I
not
can
working.
tell. Uh-oh.
Nothing's happening.
Well, you've really ruined this day. I had something special planned for us. And
Ugh.
it's 9 o'clock. That's our time. Can we do
That's so terrible.
Can we do another show?
Your outages, no outages found still says that, but something fucked up the entire Wi-Fi.
It was probably my computer. You know how I do things. I really
Could
like
be.
to, I
It
like
was
to
fine
hack
till
the network.
It's fine till you got here. Let's see.
It was fine for the first 40 minutes we had it running.
You just connected to Wi-Fi and it threw me completely off from my laptop. So you tell me what's causing the issue.
I'm not even on. You're poor. That's the issue.
You turned on your Wi-Fi on the
You're
laptop.
running the lowest possible Wi-Fi. One of the things I want to talk about today were a few upcoming events this week that I wanted to invite people to join. But now that no one's listening and
I'm
we
back.
may not even be
Did
live.
you turn it off? Because I'm back now.
I've been off.
Oh, thank God. That's why I'm back.
Okay, Tuesday there's a Spaces for the Cushlings promotion of their launch on Friday.
Yeah. Do you have?
Thursday.
I'm offline here for some reason. It still says
Thursday we will be back on Unredacted with Sean from PG and
offline.
Redacted and Jira.
Are we connected or no?
I'm
Are
running.
we
here.
live?
I'm running. I don't know about you, but I think I'm running.
I'm not doing shit.
And then Friday we will be hosting the Mint
Oh, there
Party.
I am.
Get out! I'm gonna kick you from this room. I'm about to boot your ass.
Don't turn your Wi-Fi on. That's all I'm gonna say.
It's too late. I'm back on. No, I'm kidding.
This fucking guy.
Well, I'm glad we got through the issues with Abstract. Glad I got to vent.
Did you? Are you done?
Can you clip that?
Are you done venting? Yeah, I could clip that.
I'm done with Abstract.
If we even have a video, because I don't know what's happening right now.
That's a good point. There may be nothing here.
Maybe absolutely nothing at all.
We don't have any comments, so I don't know.
Who knows what's happening? Oh, wait. Is my Wi-Fi fully back? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, shit. I think I'm fully back.
Oh, no.
Hold on. Let's see.
Oh, no. Did I unbreak it?
Wait. Let's see what happened.
Did you debug my my hacking? Should we call it a show?
Let's see here.
This is riveting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am. It's faster, but it's not. Downloads 300. Upload is still fucked up.
300. What are you, poor?
Yeah. It should be in the thousands. I don't know what's going on.
I think my phone is fucked up.
It's you, bro. I told you.
No, it's the Wi-Fi. I gotta turn off the
I
Wi-Fi.
told you it was you.
No, I'm turning off the Wi-Fi, and then my shit will work. I don't think anyone's watching.
It says 22 people.
No, 22 people have viewed the stream.
Okay, whatever. I say 22 people.
I had some things I want to go over with you, but I don't think you're in the right space.
What do you mean? Are we live still?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Go to YouTube, see if we're on.
I don't know. Why don't you check to see if we're live?
That's a good point.
Oh my God.
Good point.
Such a great show today.
This is probably the best show that I've ever had.
Is it?
Stop connecting and disconnecting. You're screwing up my Wi-Fi.
It's not me. I didn't do
Yeah,
that.
you keep adding and leaving.
No, that wasn't
Yeah,
me.
we're still live. 2 people are watching. Hi, friends. Hi.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I've just waved at
Let's see
them.
here.
Hi.
See if I could ping the Wi-Fi.
God, you can ping these nuts.
That's what she said.
You got a new video. Nice.
That's stupid. Use your common sense.
So, what else did you want to talk about?
Yeah, right.
What else did you want
All
to talk
right,
about?
there's something I wanted to talk to you about.
Before we lose the Wi-Fi
Before we
again.
lose the
What else?
Wi-Fi again. No, just so you and I can at least have this conversation. Maybe there's someone watching. Maybe there's not. I don't care at this point. All right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't care.
Okay.
I'm just gonna say it. Okay? Can you see my screen? Because I got to share my screen again.
I'm trying to fix the
I don't
internet
want.
problem.
Then I can't have this conversation with you.
Go,
You're not
go
looking
ahead.
at what I'm
I'll look
showing
at your screen. It's fine.
I'll look at your screen. Don't threaten me with a good sign, mister. All right. Have you heard of punk strategy?
Punk strategy. No,
Have you heard of punk strategy?
no,
Okay.
I have not.
I'm about to blow your tits off.
Okay.
That was the nicest way I could say it.
That was pretty intense. Pretty fucking intense.
Here's a post from Honing Was Right at Honing Was Right. I can't trade. Why punk strategy is my pick for the most asymmetrical opportunity this cycle. Okay. People are raving about punk strategy.
Why is that?
I'm going to tell you. So punk strategy was started by this guy, Rhinotic, whose name is Adam. And Rhinotic has been Rhinotic has been doing things in the crypto space, getting creative for a long time.
Okay.
But he recently rolled out this new initiative, and it's called Punk Strategy. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Sort of fractionalized NFTs, but the mechanics never made sense until now.
Fractionalizing? Isn't
No.
this what these guys are
But
doing?
it's not that. I'm going to show you.
Okay.
Let me click this. Here is how it works. There is a coin called Punk Strategy or $PNKSTR.
Mm-hmm.
Are you with me?
I'm listening.
Okay. What happens with this coin is that 10% of every trade is taken as a fee and stored in the protocol. So 10% of the trade is taken. 8% of that goes into a pool. 1% goes to this guy, Adam. And 1% pays for the network fees. Okay? When there's enough fees in the pool, so remember 8%, when there's enough fees in the pool, the machine will buy a floor punk. Okay? So portions of every trade gets put aside, and when there's enough money, it's going to buy a crypto punk that's on the floor.
Okay.
So basically every trade it's checking, does my balance
It
now
sounds to me
equal-
like a scam already. But go ahead.
Okay. Then the punk automatically gets listed. Once it's bought, it then gets listed at 1.2x.
Uh-huh.
So it's bought, let's say it's bought at $100, it gets listed for $120 or 100 ETH, 120 ETH. When the punk is sold, whenever that punk then gets sold, because it was relisted, all of the ETH buys burn that much punkster. So it becomes a deflationary coin. So as the value of punks go up, which is sort of the idea, it burns more and more of this punk strategy coin.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So it's this constant buyback mechanism. It's not that they're storing them as a treasury, but they have this has been live for like a week and it's already bought 10 punks. That's how much money it's made.
It actually bought them?
Yeah.
You saw it?
Yeah, they're holding it. They
Who's
sold
they?
3.
Who's holding it?
It's this contract. It's a smart contract. So what's interesting is that this guy, Rhinotic or Adam, is rolling this out for other groups, other projects.
Mhm.
So there'll be a strategy process for Doodles and Bored Apes and Pengus and everything like that. So there'll be a coin for each project. As the coin gets traded, portions of it goes to a pool to collect till you buy whatever that NFT is. It relists it at a slightly higher price. And then when that sells, that amount of money is burned from the coin. So the coin supply drops over time.
Okay.
So you see what I'm saying?
And then the value goes up.
And the value goes up. The value of the coin goes up, and it's also increasing.
This doesn't sound to me like very, I don't know.
the next step of this, making it for punks, was phase 1. Phase 2 was making this for other big projects. Phase 3 is going to be allow other people to claim their own strategy token for their project. So we can go on the website and then say, we want to launch a Rebel strategy coin. Okay. So our coin, whatever it becomes worth, we can then use it to automatically buy floor Rebels, flip them, and then burn the coin. So I bought, just to play around with it, I bought $20 worth of this punk
Wow,
stuff.
big spender.
It's at a penny. So I got, whatever that
Big spender.
Yeah, I just wanted to have some because I just want to see, what was going on here. So of the portion that I bought, some of that went into this pool. So now even though I don't hold a punk, I actually care about the value of punks going up. Right?
Yeah.
Because
your boy has one and you want it to
which
go up.
boy?
Oh, no.
I have no boys. So as it kind of works both ways. What's interesting, as the value of the floor price of a punk goes up, it means more gets burned when one gets sold, right? So the more that gets burned, the more valuable my token is. If the price of a crypto punk goes down, it becomes easier for this smart contract to purchase a punk and then relist it at a higher price. So it's constantly raising the floor then. You see what I mean? So it buys it at a lower floor, relist it at a higher floor. So if the floor price goes down, it's sort of a win for punk strategy. And if the floor price goes up, it's a win for punk strategy. All while benefiting the holders. Is it starting to click now?
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
Okay. So once it's available for us to launch our own punk strategy as Rebel strategy, I think that would be an interesting coin for us to create, because then we can have this cycle going where it buys a floor Rebel, relists it higher, burns when it gets bought, and then
burns the Rebel?
It'll burn the not the NFT. It'll burn the Rebel strategy coin.
Okay.
So we would create this token. So it's serving this purpose of where if the floor price goes down, it buys more, and if the floor price goes up, it burns more. So it's a win-win for the project. It's a win-win for the holders of the coin, and we can use this coin for rewarding holders in various ways. Whether it's trading the staked coin, to say, okay, everyone who's had staked coin, we're going to buy it from you and give you that much of this Rebel strategy coin right off the start, right? Kind of say, okay, however much you've staked, great, thank you for that. We're going to give you, for every hashtag rant or $ rant you have, we're going to give you one Rebel strategy, which is, less than a penny. And then it creates this cycle of if the floor price goes down, it ends up buying more and listing at a higher price. And if the floor price goes up and it sells at a higher price, it burns more of the token. So then it makes the token more valuable. This token can then also be used as the prize for season 2, season 3, season 4, that sort of thing. Because it's all on Ethereum, which, so is ApeCoin. So there's a way to kind of keep this in cycle here that becomes useful. Are you with me?
Interesting, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So just to kind of give some more context based on what they've shared here. This is an incentive flywheel, not only for the holders, but for increased allocations by large funds and CryptoPunks, as it not only benefits the strategy holders, but the entire punk ecosystem.
And who's the developer for this?
This guy's name is Rhinotic, at Rhinotic. He gave an interview, like a 15-minute interview talking about this. It was really interesting. Just kind of hearing his thought process about how he got to this. He was doing different mechanics, playing around with different mechanics, like every month releasing like a new project, but this one really hit. The market cap right now for Punk Strategy is 18 million. It was up to like 35 or 50 at some point.
Interesting.
But it's at like 1 penny right now. So I think it's an interesting time to get in, but it's that flywheel that makes it really interesting, that it's good if the floor price goes down and it's bad if, it's good if the floor price goes up. And when he creates this, this mechanic to be started by anyone who owns a project, I think that could be a cool use case for us with Rebels.
Sounds interesting.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure that it's legit. It's not like...
I get it. He was saying that the things that you can tweak, even that he can tweak about this, because it's just a smart contract.
But it's something that anybody can do if they own a project?
Anyone can do if they own a project. He launched it just like he launched this one for Punk Strategy. Oh, there's one other aspect I want to tell you. Just like he launched this for CryptoPunks, he doesn't own CryptoPunks, right?
Mm-hmm.
He launched this as a tool for just monitoring the CryptoPunk market.
Mm-hmm.
He's also launching it for some of the other major projects.
Like
Doodles, Pengu, Board.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just this same process will exist in other ways. There'll be other coins for it. There's like a Bored Ape coin. I don't know if it's on here. Might not be this post, but I saw it. So what's interesting is that all future spin-offs, if we were to make one, 1% of that fee from every trade, 1% will go back to punks, to the punk pool. Like this one that he started, the Punk Strategy. So it's kind of his way of still tying in the value of the punk ecosystem into any other future project that spins off using the same system. So there's always this tie back to CryptoPunk, which again, maybe is an incentive for anyone who holds this token or who holds the NFT. So it always ties back. So 1% of this transaction fee goes back to punks. 1% goes to him. There's the network fee. And then the rest goes into the buy pool.
how much he gets? 1%?
1% of a transaction.
Okay.
So, hold on, let's look at this tweet. I haven't read this one yet. A Punkster learning. Someone created another pool that doesn't extract fees during the swap and bypasses the value accrual mechanism. Matcha is already routing there for some trades to get better prices on its buys. That will dampen the collected fees with a 10 or with a plus or minus 10% range. So there's spin-offs of this already, but it's really interesting. Hold on. Punk Strategy is a parasite smart contract that will change punks forever. So interesting. First, very quickly, the mechanics. If you missed it, each Punkster trade has a heavy transaction tax between 1 and 10%, currently 10%. 20% of the tax goes to the team, which is 2%, and 80% goes to buying punks. The purchased punks are immediately relisted at a higher percentage. Now, the first point, we are stuck with Punkster forever.
That's stupid.
This is the
Use
blockchain.
your
The
common
smart contract will
sense.
always exist, and the mechanics will always work. So this is a forever thing. There's no turning this off. Anytime this coin gets sold, a portion of it will go to buy a CryptoPunk. There's no editing this mechanic other than what percentage is the multiplier for relisting and what percentage he takes or the fee takes. CryptoPunks will also never be the same. The Punk smart contract will always have punks listed by Punk Strategy. The Punk floor will always be supported by whatever amount of ETH sits on the Punk Strategy contract. And so if the Punk market, if the CryptoPunks market on-chain smart contract is part of the art, Punk Strategy changes or defaces the art forever. So we'll forever see punks listed by the Punk Strategy contract, right? So like, whether this guy dies or he quits Web3, like this will continue on forever. So those are some of the reasons I think it could be interesting for us. Something to think about. Could be an interesting use case for us to.
It's interesting, yeah.
Play nice. All right. I don't even know if we're actually live anymore. Hard to say. But that was the one thing I wanted to share with you today besides my complaint about abstracts.
About your rant from Abstract?
Yeah. Speaking of rant, how about that? Go Steak over at Rebellands. Okay. Anyway, I don't think anyone's here. No comments are coming through.
Rant.
Hard to say what's happening. So,
yeah,
we have a busy week ahead.
we do.
We're very popular
We seem to be.
for all the right reasons, and we're gonna have a better week than today. The week starts on Monday. Okay, week doesn't start on
Yeah.
Sunday. We're gonna have a new week starting tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right.
For sure.
So we'll see you in the near future.